In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add links to your Squarespace navigation. To get started, log into your Squarespace dashboard and open the website you want to edit. Once you are inside the site editor, look to the left sidebar and click Pages. This is where you manage the structure of your website, including the items that appear in your navigation. Inside the Pages panel, find the section where you want your new link to live. If you want the link to appear in the main menu that visitors can see, click the plus icon next to Main Navigation. If you want to create the link first without showing it in your menu right away, you can click the plus icon next to Not Linked instead. That option is useful if you want to prepare the link before deciding exactly where it should appear. After clicking the plus icon, a menu will open with different page and content options. Scroll down until you reach the More or Utilities section, depending on the version of Squarespace you are using. In that section, click Link. This tells Squarespace that you are adding a navigation item that points to another destination, rather than creating a brand new page on your site. Now you will see fields where you can enter the details for the link. In the Link Title field, type the text you want visitors to see in your navigation menu. Keep this title short and clear so it is easy to read. Then move to the Link field and paste the full URL you want this menu item to open. Make sure the web address is correct because this is what Squarespace will use when someone clicks that navigation link. Once everything looks right, click Save. As soon as you do that, the link will be added to your site navigation based on the section where you created it. If you added it under Main Navigation, it will appear directly in your menu bar. If you added it under Not Linked, it will stay hidden from the main menu until you move it later. This is a simple way to direct visitors to an external website, a specific page, or any other web destination you want to include in your site navigation. Take a moment to review the title and the URL before saving so your visitors have a smooth experience. That covers everything you need to know.